Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Are you ready to double the fun and share the rhythm with someone special? In this video, I'll show you the simple steps to get started on how to get and join Spotify Premium Duo in 2024. Let's go. Unfortunately, upgrading to Premium cannot be done through the app. It must be completed on the website. Now go to the Spotify website and either sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. If you're aiming for the Premium Duo plan, you can start by clicking on Premium. Scroll down and select the Premium Duo plan, which is designed for two people living at the same address. This plan allows both individuals to have their own premium accounts, ensuring that no one shares a password and everyone keeps their saved music and playlists. Enter your payment details as prompted. As part of the sign-up process, you will need to confirm your address to verify that both plan members live at the same address. Once your subscription is active, you can invite a second member to join your Premium Duo plan. You can directly copy the link in the website and send it to another member to join, but you can also proceed with the process through the app. On the Spotify app, go to your profile, and then click on Settings and Privacy. On Account, you'll view the plan details. Then here, click on Premium Duo. Tap on One Account Available to add the member to your plan. You can now send an invite by tapping on it and selecting where you can send it to. It may be via email, WhatsApp, or copy the link and send it to them somewhere. The invitee then needs to accept the invitation to join the plan. Now, to accept the invitation sent, the invitee needs to go to the platform where the link was sent and then proceed with joining the premium. They'll accept the invitation at home, sign in, and confirm the same address the primary account holder has set. After the second member accepts the invitation, both of you can enjoy your separate premium accounts. You'll have the ability to listen to music without ads, download songs for offline listening, and each has your unique playlists and music collections. This setup allows both individuals to enjoy the full benefits of Spotify Premium while sharing the costs, making it a budget-friendly option for music lovers living together. Okay, if I've been able to assist you, I would really appreciate it if you could leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you enjoy taking photos and videos with your iPhone, please visit my website. Over the last few months, I've created a video course where I've gathered the best tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your iPhone for photography. You'll find the link to the website in the video description. Until next time, bye.